All right, Gano, you can start the video. You're gonna do the video all by yourself.
Oh, no.
Why?
No.
Hey guys, so we are here with another Universal Yums, and this time with Canito.
Hi.
So I really didn't even check this time the country that we've got this month, so this is gonna be a surprise. I just felt like not knowing ahead of time, it really doesn't make it as fun, so.
Wait, do you need a box cutter?
No, it was easy last time. Oh, right here. All right. Oh,
What is it?
Scandinavia. Isn't that in Europe? That
Yeah.
is in Europe. All right, so like the past 3 months, every box I've ever ordered is all from a Europe country, a European country. But all right, just like normal, we've got the little booklets that tells you about each and every little fact about all the candy and snacks. And then the Yum scoreboard, where you can keep track of what your favorite one was and what was the worst one. All right. All right, so this one's got, looks like a lot of chips. Kim's, like Skims. Doesn't Kim Kardashian have a brand like this? Well, we've got some chips, some jalapeno popcorn, dill chips. Oh, and there's cookies. All right. This looks like a good box. There's another surprise bag. And it looks like this one also came with a game that we can play. So this game, what is it called? Gnav, G-N-A-V. Oh, I think this is like one of the oldest games from Europe. We'll see. We'll try it out. And then more chocolate, and I have no idea what this is. Scum instead of skim. All right. All right, let's try this out. All right, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and try our Scandinavian box treats. So the first one, we've got some bite-sized cookies with rum flavor icing. If you haven't watched my videos before on the Universal Yums, I always get the Yum Yum box, which is $30, so $29.95 plus tax, and it gets delivered every 15th of each month. So this was delivered yesterday, and we're doing it today. So it's a really cool treat and fun thing to look forward to each month. I've done it already for a few months, but I think maybe this may be my last box, or maybe I'll do one more. Because I do want to try other subscription box, and I also want to try the HelloFresh. So if you're interested in watching that, make sure that you watch my next videos on that. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this first snack, which is Karen Vove bite-sized cookies with rum flavor icing.
Can I eat it?
Because it says rum. Yeah, usually when it says rum, I mean they cook the rum, so I don't think it has any alcohol left in it.
All right.
I hope not. But yeah, so the box, the subscription that I get always comes with between 10 and 12 snacks. Ooh, that's strong. I don't know if you're gonna like that.
Ooh. Is there labels on the back to see how much alcohol is in it?
That smells like pure. You guys want to smell it? It's pure, like rum. Go ahead, pass it and try it. I've got the other kids in the back trying to.
I kind of like it.
That's strong. Do you guys want to try it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, try one and tell me what
I
you
mean,
think.
you sure it smells like alcohol?
Of course, yeah.
Mm.
It's good?
You sure I could try
You
one?
want one, any?
It tastes like rum though, but I like it.
Huh? Tastes like rum?
You tried it?
That tastes like rum, yeah.
You guys had rum?
Yeah.
Can I get another one?
That's what rum tastes like?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it.
It's like a hint of rum.
It tastes like.
It tastes
pure
like a nice
alcohol.
cookie. It doesn't taste like pure alcohol.
No, it doesn't. It tastes like a cookie.
But it tastes good.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's not that I don't like it. It's that,
What do you guys taste?
no go for alcohol in the future.
Of course. That's a no for me. So far, that's the worst one. The first and the worst. All right, so this is Kim's snack chips.
And Dad.
What kind is it? Doesn't say anything about what kind of flavor. It just says snack chips.
Original, yeah.
Oh, it's right here. Tomato and spiced potato snack.
Sounds good.
See? tomato, and I don't know if you guys can read that. Yeah, this is more to what I like. I think you're gonna like it.
Wow.
Tastes like pizza. A little bit.
Tastes like the piece of goldfish.
The pizza goldfish. Mm-hmm. Mmm. This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Alright.
Among the best.
Alright. Alright guys, so for the next snack, we've got some dill potato chips. Small potato chips. Dill potato chips this time,
Like dill pickle.
I think.
I'll try
Dill,
one.
like the herb dill. Dill and chives. It'll probably taste like the regular sour cream and chives.
I don't-
Normal chips that we get here. Sour cream and chives.
It tastes a lot like pickles.
Do you like it?
No.
So far you don't like any, huh?
I mean, yeah, the snack chips are really good.
Oh, the last one, that's right. Alright, let's continue with the chips. This is popcorn, guys. Jalapeno popcorn. Look at how big this bag is. Really big.
So a lot of popcorn.
Yeah. It's kettle cooked.
Wow.
You like it?
Tastes like actual jalapeno.
Oh wow, it smells like movie theater. Watch, smell it.
Ooh.
Mmm. That's really, ooh, that's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That tastes just like jalapeno. Actually, guys, you can have one of these, and I'm keeping this one, okay?
Yeah, that tastes really good. Wow.
This is coming upstairs with me. So I want to watch a movie tonight. So you guys can each try one.
Pickle, right?
One.
Dill.
I love disgusting. I love them.
That one, smell it.
The best
And
so
then
far.
I think, Ani, you're going to love that one because it's like spicy like jalapenos.
Yeah, it's definitely the best so far. Next one?
Have Devin try some too. Alright guys, this looks delicious. This is oat cookies with cocoa filling. I'm hoping it's like a cookie dough. I don't know, it looks like it, right? What do you think?
Yeah, it does kind of look like cookie dough.
It says baked in Denmark. This is $18.90. Devin, did you like those?
They're good.
I know, but those are mine. That's how I'm gonna go take that with me to watch a movie. Oh, these are some big cookies.
Like the Reese's peanut butter cups, kind of.
Yeah. And do cheers.
Right.
Cheers. They're all waiting. We have to save some for Maddie, remember. Break one in half for Devin. You like it?
Yeah.
Mm.
A bit too much oat, though.
It's not bad, but to be honest with you, it tastes like when you make homemade chocolate chip cookies and then you just let it sit in the stove for too long to cool down. So not really my favorite. So far, my favorite is a jalapeno popcorn.
Definitely.
You too? Not the tomato, the goldfish.
They were
flavor
good,
one?
but not as good as jalapeno.
Oh, and Elise tearing down these chips. Girl, these are mine. Mm. All right. So now we're going to try some, try to say that word.
Maritza.
Maritza. Maritza? It's, ooh, it's really hard to read. We don't have pretty good lighting here because I wanted it to be more like a calm, homey with the Christmas tree in the back. But all right, it looks like some. It's in a different language. I honestly have no idea. It looks like chocolate sticks. Chocolate sticks.
Yeah, maybe caramel inside. Kind of looks like it.
We'll see. Oh, it's not that big. It's kind of small.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what in the world? It's like jelly. I can't even break it.
Yeah, you should just like
It's
take
like I'm
them.
gonna have to bite it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is jelly.
Wow.
Wow. That's a jelly inside.
Like just
Mmm. What do you guys think?
just a lot of jelly.
Mm. None of you guys like it?
Too much jelly.
It's good.
I just spilled a lot. You don't like it? It's good. It's jelly.
It's too much.
All right, I guess I'm the only one that liked it.
Mom. What?
You're just gonna keep the cookies. All right. All right. So we've got another snack. All it says is gelatina scum. It looks like gummies, like actual candy. Oh.
Is
These are
that
like,
powder?
yeah, but they're like the harder, like the hard. It looks like little octopuses.
Sour.
Whoa. You guys will love it. Careful because it's sugar spilling on the side.
Save some for me.
Whoa, that's too sweet. I mean sour.
It's very good. Sweet and sour. That's very good. Wow.
It's not
Better
sour.
than the jalapeno. That's very good.
Okay, now that I'm past the sourness, it's actually pretty good.
It was not sour.
Could you pass that to me?
Mhm.
It's not squids, it's skulls.
What is it?
They're skulls.
Oh, they're skulls.
Skulls.
I said octopus. I didn't say squid. The aftertaste, right?
It wasn't sour. Not
It
at
was
all.
really sour for me.
It was pretty sour. That's the last thing.
Okay, guys, so the last thing is inside the Yum bags. This is supposed to be like a surprise.
Like smaller candies, right?
Mhm.
Ooh.
We actually have bonbons. I'm gonna guess
Ooh,
it's a bonbon.
There's two.
This was the same one?
Mhm.
Alright, let's try it at the same time.
Cookie dough.
You have the cookie dough one?
Wait, they're both cookie dough, I think.
Oh, the same? Okay, cheers. Mm. Mm. What does it taste like? I feel like I tasted
Mhm.
that before, but I don't know.
This is
Very similar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like oatmeal raisin kind of?
Yes, oatmeal cookies. Not your favorite?
gingerbread cookies.
Gingerbread
Not my favorite,
cookies.
but they're not. Oh,
Gingerbread cookies, yes.
they're different from me.
He wants you to
that's
save
so
some for
good.
him. Don't eat it all. It's good, right? Mm. Is there more of the same ones? These are the same ones we just had, right?
Yeah.
Can I try one? No, it's oatmeal cookies.
No, it's gingerbread.
It's like a mixture. It's like a mixture. You should just like give that to them. And then
Maddie.
they'll try it. Oh yeah.
All right, so there's another one. It looks like the same kind of chocolate, but maybe a different
this
flavor.
it?
Is there two?
Yeah.
All right, let's try these.
Mmm. Peanut butter?
Mm,
What is it?
caramel.
Mmm.
Do you think it's caramel? Tastes like caramel, not peanut butter.
It tastes like caramel and peanut butter kind of.
How about that? What do you think?
That's caramel.
Caramel? So
I can taste both.
and there's the same one? Or is this different?
Yeah, that's the same one. I think.
Do you guys want to try one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the same one.
But did you have it? You tried it.
Make one for Maddie.
I have one here. Here, you can have it. Oh, you want it.
I didn't try that one. I'll give you the other half.
All right.
I think yeah, there's like two of them each. Oh, there's
Four.
some right just that.
All right. So the last one is the same one. This is gingerbread
Toffee.
toffee. It actually says it on there.
Devin, don't eat it all.
Right? That one's toffee too?
It's cola.
Oh wait, there's two different ones. One's cola and one's toffee. Let's try the toffee first.
Wait.
Oh no, it's all
No,
the
they're
same.
both. Yeah, cola toffee.
No, because there's one gingerbread toffee and then one's cola toffee. So then which one do you have? So two gingerbreads.
Mine says it still says both cola, gingerbread, and coffee, or not toffee.
Oh,
That's a weirdly weird.
okay. Let's give it a shot. So this is what we're having. Mm. I don't like it at all.
It's not the worst. It's pretty good. You can like tell that you can taste all of it, but at the same time,
You
it's
can
weird.
taste the gingerbread,
Mm-hmm.
the toffee,
The
and
cola.
some Coca-Cola.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You actually can. Still not the best though.
Definitely the weirdest.
Yeah, this is the weirdest. All right, that is all. Those are all the snacks for this month's subscription box from Scandinavia. I must say it's not my favorite. What do you think?
This is the first time, but I actually would like this one,
You like that one?
in my opinion.
What would you say is your favorite yum? The sour gummies. What would you say is the worst one?
The rum.
The rum one, yeah. And what would you say is the weirdest?
The toffee.
The toffee. I have to agree with everything but the favorite. So I agree that the weirdest one was the toffee with the cola and the gingerbread mix. I think that the worst one was the rum cookies. Was it cookies? Yeah, the rum cookies. I wouldn't even want to try it. But my favorite, his is the gummies. Mine is the jalapeno popcorn. So much flavor, so spicy. Love it.
A close second.
All right, guys. So that does it. Make sure that you stick around and you watch my next video.